Hi, and welcome to Dizno's Education Hub. Today we are going to create our first account and get familiar with the studio's basics. In the login page, enter your email and click on Continue. You'll receive an email containing your OTP code. This code is only for you, so please don't share it with anyone. Once you enter your OTP code, go ahead and fill out the initial form. This information will help your experience with Dizno be as personal as possible. Now you're in your main dashboard. Here, you can see your brands and also a demo brand that can help you understand our tools better. On the upper right corner, you can see your profile. From here, you can access your account settings. You can edit, add, or remove information on your account setting. Go ahead and upload a photo. Once you're done editing, click on Save and head back to the dashboard. Working with Dizno is really easy, but this is just the beginning. Get creative.